Hi guys. Welcome back to FA Trades. In this video, we will discuss TRDR, which includes tools like order book depth, overlays, levels, alerts and sentiment indicators. In the Academy section, you will find learning materials in form of courses/articles and videos. I recommend reading Orderbook Overlay short course to get proper understanding of its Orderbook tools. Let's move on its console, where we will find all these indicators and tools. First, here you find a charting tool from TradingView, where you can select different coin pairs, time frames, and chart types. In the indicator section, you will find all indicators. These include indicators from TRDR for order book analysis, sentiment analysis, volume analysis, different metrics, and others. And also from TradingView. Next is templates. Here you can save all your templates. These are mine, which you can also access. I will explain that later. Let me give you guys basic overview of each of these templates. First one is multi-CDD template. It analyzes different order size CDDs from small to large, from both spot and perpetual markets. It's for sentiment across small to large order size traders. On chart you can see alert overlay, which I customized, and it prints when there is strong supply or demand in the order books. Next is about order book top levels. These are strong order book levels with large orders, acting as support and resistance. You can customize how much amount of supply and demand in order book should be displayed here. This is my main template. It includes open interest and order books from spot and perps, in regular and in RSI metric form, to visualize extreme zones. Also CDD from Coinbase and Binance Spot, and order book top supply and demand levels. My next template is about order books. It includes order book depth, from 1 to 5% in spot and perpetual markets, which display supply-demand dynamics at different levels. For better understanding of order books, its depth, overlays, and top levels, I will suggest reading Order Book Overlay course in the Academy section. Last template is all about spot market, its order book depth, and top demand and supply zones. Next, let me explain how you can access these or any public templates. For that, you will go to TRDR options, then share with others. Here you can browse others' templates or share your own ones. In the browse, you can search templates by name or by usernames of providers. Like if you search my username here, you will find all my public templates, which you load into your charts and use for analysis. Next is creating alerts. This is advanced tool, where you can customize conditions for these indicators, for both long and short direction, including markets/coins, and exchanges. Sources including different indicators. If and then conditions for different indicators. Finally, configure. Once triggered, where you want to get notified on Mail, Discord, or Telegram. Next tool is metric. Here what you can do is, you can select any indicator as a source, then you can apply different metrics like RSI, SMA, EMA, delta, etc. on top of these indicators, which will help you analyze these indicators in an efficient way. Next is replays. Once you completed your setup, then you can backtest your system using replay function from here. On top right, you will find multi-chart. Here you can add multiple charts of same pair or different coins. Then there is layout. Here you can save different layouts. It includes charts and order book tools, which we will discuss later. Last, we have main menu. Here you will find your account and subscription details and other related informations. That's all for charting and basic overview. Let's move to other tools in the bottom. First, we have trades. Here you will find all trades happening in real time. Here you can filter it by trade size, by exchanges, by spot and future. You can also enable and disable aggregation. Next is Orderbook or DOM, depth of market. It shows limit by /bids below current price and limit sell /asks above price. Here you can change depth size between price levels by changing precision. Lower precision gives more zoom out view, while higher precision gives more gradient view. Then you can change view from cumulative and non-cumulative view. Then there is aggregation. You can enable or disable it. You can also filter by exchanges and markets, from spot, perpetual and futures. Here we have order book changes. We can see pulling and stacking, orders getting added or subtracted on different time frames, as well as different price levels. Above are asks/shorts, while below are bids/longs. Then we have order book depth. It shows which orders buys in green or sells in red are dominant in order book on different price levels, 0 to 25%, on different exchanges and pairs. It gives overall view of order book dynamics as a whole. Here you can also filter by exchanges and pairs. Also, you can get basic overview of all tools by clicking on these question marks on top left of widgets. Next, we have price ranges. It shows price difference between various exchanges. Here it will show all your alerts, which you can customize, pause, resume, share and add on your charts as overlay. Then we have bid-ask range. It shows bid and ask price difference between different exchanges. By clicking on question mark on any of these widgets, you will get a basic overview and tutorial of these. There is also a basic tutorial for this platform and its charting, which you can view by clicking on tutorial here. You can read these guides to get to know the platform and most of its features and tools. I will also provide some basic description of these tools and features in the video description. If you have any question, suggestion or topic and idea for future video, please share in the comments section. That's all for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Leave your questions, feedback and suggestions in the comments section below. See you in the next one. Peace out.